Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn about how to create a database in a VB6. A database is a set of tables and table is a set of records. That is, there are number of rows and columns. So to create a database, go to add-ins and then click on Visual Data Manager. It opens up a new window. Then in this data wizard, click on File and then click on New. We are using Microsoft Access as a database engine. Then click on version 7. Then we are saving the file on desktop. The name of database is test. Here goes the properties of the database. To create a new table, right click on it and then click New Table. Here provide the name of the table, that is students. Now a table is comprised of number of fields. To add a field, click on Add Field. Here goes the name of the field. The first field is ID. This is the data type of the field. Here we are setting the data type of ID to integer. Then if we check the required box, then it states that the value of the ID field should not be null. Then click on OK. Then add another field called first name. Leave the data type as default and then click on OK. Then third field is of data type text and size 50. Click OK. Then close. Click on build the table. Here the table has been set up. To insert the values, click on open. Then enlarge the screen. Write the values. It is add 1 Tawal Sharma and add update. To add another value, 2 Ashish Sibyl. Click on update. To add another record, click on add. Then write down values Sachin Sharma. To add, click on update. Then you can close the window. So we have just set up a table and inserted some of the records. Now you can close the window now. Now to show those records into a form, click on New Project and then set up a new project. We'll use the data control to show the records to the user. First is the text. Set its text to blank. Then set another text box. We will bound this field to the data control. Then set its text to also blank. Then double click on the control, data control, to put it on the form. We will set some of the properties of the data control. The first is the database name. Click here to navigate to our database. We have saved a database onto a desktop named test. Then set its record source to the table that we need to access. In our case, it is students. Then we need to bound these fields. First, on data source, set data1. Data source is the data control. Then data field to ID. Do this for all of the fields. Data source to data1 and data field to first name. Then for the last one, set the same. Then run the program using F5. Here you can see that the first record. When you click on next, the next record is shown, and so on. When you click here, the last record is shown. When you click here, the first record of the table is shown. So you can access a database using data control in VB6. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.